Hey guys! Since you all seem to love it when we talk about the free ways you can earn online, here's another 4 platforms that you can earn from simply by watching videos. And if you're the type of person who likes getting paid for things you already do on the internet every day, then this video is for you. As always, these sites are legit and members are not required to pay anything to start generating income. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is the kind of content that you're looking for, well, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below so we can make sure to let you know the next time we upload money-making ideas. Before we start this list, let me just make a quick disclaimer that these sites will in no way earn you big money. The videos that tell you otherwise are lying, but it's still a great way to make a nice side income and monetize your downtime. And with that said, let's start with the first PPC site. Bucks Inside is a PTC or paid-to-click site that pays you for viewing ads and completing offers. It has a low payout threshold, and as you can see here, they're available globally. In fact, they even have language options that you can choose from. According to the Bucks Inside website, their service consists of allowing advertisers to reach thousands of potential customers by displaying their advertisements on their website, whereby users can earn money by viewing those advertisements. It also says here on their website that you get paid every second, and this is because as a Bucks Inside member, you'll be tasked to view certain ads for 10 seconds, and you get credited with each 10-second ad that you watch. So let me share a quick bonus tip with you for Bucks Inside. On their site, you'll find that there are 2 kinds of ads that you can view. They have something that they call fixed ads, and these are the type of ads that will allow you to earn a certain amount of money per ad, and this is therefore the kind that will let you earn the most. So to access this, you'll need to click on the View Fixed Advertisement button, and it will start displaying ads. Please just make sure that the browser tab that opens will be your active window in order for your view to be counted. I've actually tried this a couple of times, and it seems that you can't really view other tabs or pages while this is going on because the timer will stop running, so you'll really need to stick around for this. Plus, you have to click on the next button once the ad is done so you can view the next advertisement and keep earning. This means that you'll need to be paying attention to the window. Doing this will get you paid for every ad that you view, and it will be credited to your Bucks Inside account immediately. The other type of ad is called the traffic exchange ad, and as the name suggests, there will be an exchange of some sorts that will take place. So for every 100 viewed traffic exchange ads, you will get 50 advertising credits, which you can then use to promote your own ads on Bucks Inside, plus a penny in cash. So generally speaking, unlike fixed ads, the traffic exchange ad is less profitable. So once you've accumulated $2 on your account balance, you will be able to start withdrawing your earnings, and cash out options are available through PayPal, Payeer, RTM, Perfect Money, or Coinbase. So the next site that I wanted to share with you is called Fusion Cash. If you live in the US or Canada, Fusion Cash is another legit way to make a bit of side money. It's actually a GPT site where there are a lot of other different tasks that you can perform, such as testing products or software, performing internet searches, answering surveys or forum posts, even paid to call opportunities, and of course, watching videos. Fusion Cash's payout process isn't as good as Bucks Inside's, but it's still a legit and easy enough way to earn. The payout threshold for Fusion Cash is also much higher than Bucks Inside's, which is at $25, but one great thing about it is that you automatically get a $5 bonus for simply signing up to their platform. Before we move on, let me just quickly remind you that if you're enjoying this content so far, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. And with that said, let's move on to the third platform. This one is called AppNana, and unlike the first two, this one is a mobile-only online rewards platform. It promises to reward you with gift cards for completing certain offers, including watching video ads. So if you're familiar with mobile games, you've probably encountered this already. So all you'll have to do would be to watch a video ad for its entire duration, and once you've finished, you will be rewarded with a certain number of points. Keep in mind that in order for your view to count, you'll have to wait for the ad to actually finish before closing the window. Ads on AppNana usually range from 15 to 30 seconds each, so it won't really take too much of your time. Plus, you don't really have to watch it. You can keep it on mute and just run it until it finishes. One thing that you'll probably appreciate about AppNana is that it offers a decent earning opportunity, and similar to Bucks Inside, it offers an appealingly low payout threshold, which is just $1 if you decide to go with gift cards and $2 should you choose to redeem cash via PayPal. Okay, so the last platform where you can watch videos to earn some money is called iResume. There are many different video categories available on this particular platform, and you can, in theory, earn points without end simply by watching videos. Points on iResume can be exchanged for a number of different prizes depending on your preference, including cash via PayPal. Again, you're not going to get rich doing this, and despite them being legit, these platforms are here to supplement your income rather than replace it. No GPT or PPC site will actually be able to do that, and anyone who says otherwise may not be telling you the whole truth. If you're looking for more ways to earn a bigger profit in a more sustainable fashion, then do check out the other videos we've created for you in this channel. We have a ton of them and we'll keep them coming, so do let us know in the comments section down below what kind of content you want to see next, and we would be more than happy to work on those for you. As always, if you found any value whatsoever in this video, then please do show us some love by liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. And while you're busy studying the other videos here looking for ways to augment your income, it might not be a bad idea to start on these platforms because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. Alrighty guys, take care and I'll see you again on the next one.